Okay, good afternoon. So, our topic for today is all about the function in art, the personal function, social functions in art, and physical functions in art. So, our first topic, functions of art. So, let's have a warm-up game. So, before we proceed with our discussion, let's play a small game. So you're going to say, or you're going to write it down to your papers, and you need to analyze the pictures, whether it is a functional or non-functional. Okay? So are you ready? Okay. For the functional or non-functional, the first picture. So parang ito ay webbing. Ayan. So, is it functional or non-functional? Okay. Sulat. Next. Ayan. So, a presentation on a stage. Is it functional or non-functional? Next. Ayan, a sidewalk. Okay. Functional or non-functional? So, later on, we will going to answer or based on our discussion later on. So, you're going to check it and to check it out and to check your answers if it is correct or not based on our discussion. Okay, so let's start. So compared to the other activities of man, art is generally regarded as impractical. So to the layman, art has very little function. So the term function being taken to mean ay its usefulness. Yan, practical usefulness. So yung art, like architecture, weaving, furniture making, and a few other crafts have obvious purpose and are thereof classified as functional. So, yung mga ginagamit yung mga baso, ayan, bawa, inuukit para maging baso o yung mga bamboo na ginagawang baso. So, from the word itself, so it is functional. So, as long as na obvious yung purpose niya. So, we considered it as functional arts. Okay? But, this form of art or example of art like painting, sculpture, literature, music, and the theater arts seem to serve no other than to provide a pleasant escape from life's daily problem. Thus, they are classified as non-functional. Okay? So the term function and functional is all about the usefulness of the specific artwork, okay, or the specific or the artwork that are we going to use as practical. Okay, so personal function. So art educates our senses and sharpen our perception of color, forms, textures, designs, sounds, rhythms, and harmonies. So this is it is entitled The Kiss, 1907 to 1908. And so it is a form of art or one of the example of art. Next, Campbell soup cans of Andy Warhol. So art offers us fresh insights into nature and human nature so that we gain better understanding ourselves and the world around us. Okay? Next, social function. Guernica of Pablo Picasso. Okay? So, influences social behavior. So, it seeks or tends to influence the collective behavior of people. Ayan. So, itong nakikita ninyong Guernica of Pablo Picasso. Okay? Next, display of and celebration. So, it is created to be seen or used primarily in public. Diba? So, kaya nga siya na display and celebration. And it is the based on our last topic or last video presentation, ano, na ang art ay nagsisymbolizes as okay, as landmark, ayan, as pagbibigay ng importance doon sa specific person na nandun sa monumento. Okay? Next, social description. So it expresses or describe social or collective aspects of existence as opposed to individual and personal kind of experiences. Okay? So as you can see, the picture, it is the title of that painting is Romana Cardillo by Justiniano Asuncion or Justiniano Asuncion. So, art by its physical function. Okay. So, for the brief introduction, it is the easiest to understand. So, it is work of art that are created to perform some service that have physical function. So, all art exists for a reason, and these reasons make up the function of an art. So every art has its own function, okay? So it exists for a reason. Ano, kung mga ngaliwa, laging everything happens for a reason. So like art, in connection with our topic, so any form and example of art, it is the production, okay, of one's mind, of one's imagination, and it is the product of uh, so what we call sometimes emotion, and so feelings, okay, so they express their feelings, their emotions through art in different aspects, or in different manner, okay. So topic, form and function of art. So it is truly connected to each other, yung form and function. Okay? Kumbaga sila ay may forever. Papayag ba kayo doon? May forever sila. So, an object or art's shape or its size and other parts of it are related harmoniously. Okay? So, they are interconnected. Okay? So, ano bang ibig sabihin pag form and function? Okay, So, ano bang ibig sabihin pag sinabing form and function? So, mas papalalimin natin ito sa susunod pang mga talakayan. Okay. Sa architecture. So, it is the art and technique of designing and building. So, the design of the building is determined primarily by its operational function. So, bakit ba siya operational function? From the word itself, operational. Ginagamit natin, nagagamit natin, tumutulong sa atin. Okay? Also, design of the building takes is also adapted to the geographical feature and climate of the region. Okay? So, kaya nga yung mga architect, nagde-design sila ng mga buildings, based sa kung ano yung nasa surrounding. Halimbawa, yung MOA, di ba? Di ba, yung ilalim nun, ayun ay sea. Di ba, dagat yung MOA. sa ilalim. So, ang ginawa nila, tinatambakan nila yon ng mga lupa. Ano? And kaya nga sinasabi, kaya nga daw kapag may spring daw yon. Hindi ko sure kung totoo ha. May spring na kung saan ang spring ay kapag daw nag-earthquake ay nagiging parang nasunod lang sa earthquake yung MOA, yung Mall of Asia. Okay? So architect must consider the following. Okay, the first is the physical, the psychological and spiritual needs of the members into account when designing. Halimbawa, sir, considered ba ito yung mga lalagay natin, yung ating mga furnitures, paglalagay ng mga kulay ng bahay? Pwede ba ito, sir, yung sa Chinese, yung mga, kung ito ba ay maganda yung posisyon, ano bang tawag doon sa mga Chinese? Ah, kunwari ay kailangan nakatapat sa araw, kailangan ganto ganyan. So, ayan. So, yung architects, kino-consider nila, those following needs ng mga magiging client nila. And it is one of the example din ng art. So this is the examples, or these are the examples of physical function. So specifically, architecture crafts. First one is welding. So I know na you already know what welding is. Okay? It is a fabrication process whereby two or more parts are fused together by means of heat and pressure. Okay? So dito sa Pilipinas, we use welding rod. So yung parang stick yon na idinidikit doon sa parang clip ng welding machine na nakakonect yung parang clip na yon, kiklip mo doon yung welding rod, then yung welding machine ang nakakonect doon, and then isasaksak syempre. Ayan. So, pagka yun yung inaano, ay nagkakaroon ng spark like this. Okay. Next natin ay woodworking. So, it is a skill of making items from wood. Examples nito, syempre, yung mga wood cabinets, mga wood carvings, mga sa carpentry, and wood turning. Okay? So, as long as na ginagamitan ng wood, it is considered as woodworking. It is a skill ng making ng items from wood. Next, interior design. So it is a science of understanding behaviors to help owners create a functional room. 'Di ba? Lagi sinasabi ng mga magpapa-interior design, gusto nila ay aesthetic. Yung combination ng color, kailangan akma doon sa personality ng may-ari, or placing sa mata, or kapag makikita yung color ay magaan sa pakiramdam. So, ayan, interior design or interior designing. It is one of the examples of art. Next natin ay traditional designs. Ayan, meron din naman tayong modern designs like this one, like this picture. And also minimalist design na walang masyadong nakalagay, walang masyadong design yung wall, minimal yung mga furnitures, and still aesthetic. And next natin, industrial design. So yung design ng mga bahay or ng mga building, it depends on the societal level ng isang tao. Kung siya ba ay nasa average ang kanyang yaman, nasa average, nasa middle, nasa high, yan. Okay, industrial designs. So it is a process of design applied to a physical products that are to be manufactured by mass production. So sizes, needs and demand, development, and alternatives. So kaya laging may sinasabi, 'di ba, uniform, kasi napakarami na nung mayroong ganoon. So mass production. So marami ang pinapagawa or nipoproduce ng manufacturing company ng specific na furniture or product kasi alam nilang in demand. Okay? So maraming bumibili. So syempre magpo-produce sila ng marami, and mag-iiba-iba lang 'yon sa size, sa color, sa kung saan siya gagamitin, and still the same. ang itsura. So, like this one, double hose vacuum cleaner. Ayan. So, syempre, yan naman ay functional art. It is also a form of art na functional. Ayan. Ginagamit natin paglilinis. Ice, ice, Ice candy handheld PC. Eye candy handheld PC. Ayan. Vespa, motor. The VW Beetle. Ayan, napakarami natatandaan niyo ba ng bata kayo na pag makakakita kayo nito, yung pendong kotseng kuba, ayan, di ba? Yung parang tinutuktukan ka sa ulo. Something like that. Then, kapag ka mag sasalute ka, sasalute ka para hindi ka kasali. Okay, so pag hindi ka nakapag-salute, surrender yon, parang something like that, matutuktukan ka. Kasi bihira lang yung merong ganong ditong the VW Beetle na sasakyan. So siya ay OG. Next, the Coca-Cola Contour Bottle. Ayan. So, mass production siya kasi needs siya ng mga tao. And nagdi-differ lang yung kanyang design. Siyempre, as the time goes by, di ba? Yung pagbabagong nagaganap sa society, pagbabagong nagaganap din, sa human behavior, human taste. Okay? So, ayan. So, kailangang baguhin them. Ayan. So, these are the examples of physical function. So, top 3 famous architectural design and buildings. So, this one, kilalang-kilala ng lahat sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Yung tinatawag nating Petronas Twin Tower. So, it is 451.9 meters high. Visionary architect Cesar Pelli, or correct me if I'm wrong. And M is symbolizing Malaysia. Okay, country's aspiration and ambition. Ayan nga, kaya nga siya M, para siyang M. Okay? Ayan, yun yung Twin Tower. Ayan, Burj Khalifa. Okay? Burj, okay, hindi siya Ving Victory, sorry. Burj Khalifa, hindi kung ibang Khalifa na sinasabi ninyo. Hindi yun, pinapanood yon. Ito ay building, ang pinag-uusapan nating Burj Khalifa, ang Khalifa, okay? So, it is from, makakatatagpuan natin ito from the Dubai, UAE. So, it is 828.9 meters high, made it as world's tallest building. Okay, world. So, architect is Adrian Smith, a mixed-use tower. Tower's overall design was inspired by the geometries of a regional desert flower, and the patterning system embodied Islamic architecture. Ayan. So, hindi siya pantay na pagka-building, no? As you can see. Next, La Sagrada Familia, Barcelona, Spain. So, syempre, it is a temple. Diocesan architect Francisco de Paula de Villar, taken over by Antoni Gaudi. So, famous for its iconic towers, combination of Gothic and Nouveau style. Ayan. So, napakaganda. Community planning. So, when we say community planning, it involves the efficient organization of buildings, roads, and spaces so that they meet the physical and aesthetic needs of the community. So, yung mga nakalagay sa inyong community, sa inyong mga barangay, yung design ng mga tawag dito, ng mga post lights, ano bang tawag doon? Ayan, yung mga ilaw-ilaw doon sa bawat tabi ng kalsada. Ayan. And it considering the growth of population and the physical and aesthetic of most communities, their improvement and the design of new communities are of great importance today. So community planning takes into consideration, so the assignment of areas are for proper land use. So these areas are the following. Una, residential districts. So sa residential districts, special areas are assigned for residential purposes. So these are designed with such personal and social needs in minds as comfort, ano, health and family and facilities for recreation. Ayan, residential districts. Next, industrial and commercial. Ano, so kalimitan ito yung building na kung saan nirerentahan ng mga tao. Ano, so specific na kunwari yung kanilang company nagre-rent lang dun sa specific na building, sa specific floor, specific room. Ayan. So this area is conveniently accessible and usually located near the source of raw materials. Okay? So a commercial area can be a cluster of small neighborhood stores, a shopping complex in the suburbs, or a central downtown district. Kaya kung mapapansin ninyo, yung mga commercial building or industrial buildings, palaging malapit sa community, malapit sa city. Or kung hindi pa city yung isang lugar, malapit sa kabayanan. Okay? Para easy access sa materials they needed. Next, civic center. So as you can see as on this picture, okay? So a community governs itself. It therefore provides structures where the functions of government can be efficiently carried out and which would, in appearance, be symbolic of community dignity and pride. Ayan. Kalimitan yan ay sa ibang bansa. Wala pa namang ganito dito sa atin, no? Next, parks, plazas, and malls. So the need for a balance between man-made structures and natural areas is answered in the design of plazas and malls. Okay? So based on the needs of the people, streets and roads. So streets are large or small according to their functions. So the street patterns of many new communities today do not follow set rules. Streets are built where they are most needed. So different kinds of streets are curved, straight, dead ends, arteries, ano, are combined for efficiency and beauty. So nagiging design din siya. Ayan. Ito yung mga lights kong sinasabi dito. Ayan. And then, sometimes ay merong bike lane, ayan. And then, ito yung gutter na dito nagwa-walk ang mga people, ang mga person, si self, ayan, siya. So, function and beauty. So, function and beauty. To see beauty in art, time has proved that their design best enable them to accomplish their purpose. Okay? So, a home should not only meet the needs but also express the personality of its owner. Diba? So it should likewise stimulate the eyes and spirit and awaken in the one who looks at it a sense of balance, rhythm, and harmony, not just because of the design of the house itself, but also in its relation to the surrounding landscape and other buildings nearby. So laging sinasabi, specifically ng mga Japanese, kilala mga Japanese na napakalinis, especially ng CR. And tayo din naman, mga Filipino na inaano natin na makikilala mo ang taong nakatira doon sa bahay, base sa kung siya ba ay malinis sa bahay at ang titignan doon ay ang CR. Okay? So, that's all for today. Then mag-check kayo, doon sa inyong kanina doon sa atin sa function or non-functional, So, as long as na ginagamit siya, function, and non-functional, walang specific na function siya. Specifically nito, yung mga paintings and mga structures. Okay? So, that's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye! Mabuhay Philippines and bye-bye Biped. Bye!